Good morning, student. Before this period, we learned some important points about Indian economy. We know the characteristics of Indian economy. Modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency and social justice have been the characteristics of Indian economy. And the National Planning Commission was established for the development of Indian economy, and a 5 years plan policy is started. Narasimha Rao government started economic reforms from 1991. The Indian economy flourished as a result of implementation of 5 years plan, 5 years policy. And the changes after 1991 also described as globalization. Now we are going to start our next point, science and technology. Two major events must be mentioned while describing India's effort towards self-reliance. When we describe India's effort towards self-reliance, in that process, 2 points means 2 major events must be mentioned. The first is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in 1965. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in 1965. He implemented new scientific agricultural techniques and increased the production of food grains. And Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who is known as the father of Green Revolution, he implemented new scientific agricultural techniques and increased the production of food grain. Through his implementation of new scientific agricultural techniques, the production of the food grain increased. The experiment in cooperative dairy movement by Dr. Verghese Kurien led the increase of milk production in India. And Dr. Verghese Kurien, through his experiment in cooperative dairy movement, he increased the milk production in India. This is called as White Revolution. And the revolution which took place by Dr. Verghese Kurien is known as White Revolution. And Dr. Swaminathan revolution is known as Green Revolution. These two major events took place in this period. India had also made a lot of progress in the field of atomic energy and space research. Instead this, India also made a lot of progress in the field of atomic energy and space research. Dr. Homi Bhabha laid the foundation of the Indian Atomic Power Program, and Dr. Homi Bhabha led the foundation of Indian Atomic Power Program. He started Indian Atomic Power Program. India insisted on using atomic energy for peaceful purposes like generation of electricity, pharmaceuticals and defense. India insisted on using atomic energy. India always gave importance of using atomic energy, atomic power for the peaceful purposes, and that peaceful purposes include generation of electricity, pharmaceuticals and defense. India has achieved considerable success in space technology as well, and instead of this, India also achieved considerable success in space technology. In 1975, the first satellite Aryabhatta was launched. India's success in space technology. In 1975, the first satellite Aryabhatta was launched. Today, India has a successful space program, and now today India has a successful space program, and many satellites have been launched under this program, and under this program many satellites have been launched by India. India has also made considerable advancement in the telecom sector. After that, India also made considerable advancement in the telecom sector. In our next period, we will learn our next point, changes in social field. What changes took place in social field? Now, today's homework is complete question number 1 A and B in your notebook. Complete question number 1 A and B in your notebook. Thank you.